Here comes another notable proposal from the International Monetary Fund. Keeping in consideration the fact that the government of Pakistan is engaged in making the budget for the fiscal year 2026 and 2027. This particular proposal comes in the form of a taxation policy that ought to be attached with the crypto trading. There is one consensus that Pakistan has around 9 million crypto users or crypto traders, which implies the fact that more than 9 million people since 2018 have been working in Pakistan, have been engaged in humongous volumes of transactions related to cryptocurrencies, yet there was no legal taxation that was attached to it, or that was attached to it as a conditionality. But now, with keeping in consideration that the International Monetary Fund has put a special emphasis on the fact that government of Pakistan needs to take various steps and mechanisms to ensure a broadened and a widened tax base, the government of Pakistan is scrutinizing one of this notable proposal from IMF that 10% to 30% of taxation shall be introduced for those users or those traders who are indulged in cryptocurrencies and transactions like that. One fact that requires your recognition in this regard is that any kind of government ensures its sustainability and ultimately it's working on the basis of its revenue generation and timely taxation policy. And in this regard, keeping in view that more than 220 million people live in Pakistan, less than a quarter of Pakistanis are filers or are paying their taxes. So, in the upcoming fiscal year of 2026 and 27, accompanied with the proposals, with the multiple and notable proposals from International Monetary Fund, the current federal government of Pakistan is scrutinizing on various measures and mechanisms to broaden their tax base. And in this particular regard, there is a probability that the income tax ordinance of 2001 would be adjusted, rather amended, and along with section 37, another subsection 37C shall be induced or introduced, which would ensure a capital gain tax as an associated taxation condition or policy with the cryptocurrencies or with the crypto trading. Moreover, the authorities have instructed the Pakistan Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority to establish or form a new committee that would oversee the identification of the users and traders involved in cryptocurrencies and crypto trading, that would oversee the humongous volumes of transactions that are related or associated to cryptocurrency and crypto trading, and ultimately they would devise a timely taxation policy related to the cryptocurrencies. Last but not the least, they would also help register the unregistered or unidentified users and traders related to cryptocurrency. So, with this proposal of IMF in hand and the current scrutiny in the budget of 2026 and 2027 by the federal government of Pakistan, there is a greater probability that around 10% to 30% of taxation shall be introduced in cryptocurrency, and it shall be streamlined with proper measures and mechanisms and ultimately be enforced by the government of Pakistan, so that billions of rupees could be generated from the taxation related to the cryptocurrency. Thank you.